How to download and install Google Notebook LM app on your device. Let's get started. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Now search for the app Google Notebook LM. With that app will appear. Now click on it. You're gonna get the option of get or install. You'll need to click on that option. For iOS device, you might need to enable Face ID. Likewise, you might need to enter your Apple ID's password. Once you complete that process, download process will start. This app will help you summarize, analyze, and interact with your documents like PDF, Google Docs, websites, or YouTube video transcripts. After completion of its download, launch it, provide your credentials, and use it. And that's it. This way you can easily download Notebook LM on your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.